program today on the 16th of June 2023, almost midsummer, and what a great weather, what superb weather in fact we'll be having here in this part of the country. It's been absolutely superb. We just a little note to you all out there. Anyone who's been listening to WMR for years and years and years knows how we know how we battle on about Scotland's only international broadcaster and broadcasting from Scotland and Scottish Free Radio, all that sort of stuff, all the Scottish links and the wee Scotsman on the QSL card, etc. I was going to do away with all that, only a few years ago. I was just going to call it a European station, and I was going to do away with any reference to Scotland whatsoever. I'm not going to go into why, but it was just, let's say it was around 2020 when I was going to chuck it off. And anytime I was back on the air in the future, I thought I was going to say, hey, video from Europe, but it never even happened. And I sort of mellowed just a little bit over the last couple of years. And, well, we have our old programming, our old programs getting played on the shortwave, but let's just carry on and see if we can get a few new shows here this summer. That would be lovely. And here we go, you took it on by surprise, and it's happening. Yeah, happening. Well, a great summer. What a great summer it's turned out to be. Shortwave Free Radio. 295 on the shortwave band. La Belle. Patti LaBelle and Lady Marmalade.